Yo guys, what up? Back again with another video. Quickly, in this video, I'm going to do nothing but pans, tilts, and slides. Some of the basic moves that you need to do to get some really cool cinematic shots. Take a look at this. Yo guys, if you're new to my channel, my name is Patrick Levar. I'm a mobile filmmaker and photographer. I have 300 plus videos and this YouTube channel, which is 140,000 subscribers, all built using my cell phone. If that's something you're into, consider hitting that subscribe button. Quickly, I wanted to touch base on the 3 basic moves we need to know. 1 is going to be the tilt, where we tilt the phone up and down. 2, the slide, where the phone actually slides across. And 3, the pan, where the phone actually pans left and right. In this video, I do a lot of combinations where I'll do a pan while I'm sliding. I'll do a tilt into a slide. Again, we can slide up, we can slide down, we can even slide forward, and we can slide back. You can even slide diagonal. So you'll see me doing a lot of combinations. And again, the main thing is you want to be smooth. You want to be like if you were on a major Hollywood camera with the whole rig and the whole setup. You gotta act and you gotta move like you're a cinematographer. So think like that. Think like a cinematographer to really get those epic, really cool, smooth looks. Now, if you're using your phone, you might be able to use the in-body stabilization. The more smooth you move, the more smooth your video will come out. Again, you could use gimbals, but in this video, I went handheld. I was using MC Pro, and MC Pro at the time, the settings that I had, I did not have image stabilization. So you will see some micro jitters, but that's all well, it's okay. It's just, everything doesn't have to be silky smooth. So enough of my jibber jabber. Let's take a look at the video. Now, those were just basic moves, guys. You can do a lot of these basic moves just at home. You don't have to go outside to an epic location. You can be sitting at your kitchen table and just start practicing some slides, some pans and tilts on a cup of coffee. So basic moves is what you need to know. And in order to get better, you need to stop watching this YouTube video and you need to get out there and start practice. That's the only way you'll get better, is by practicing these moves all the time. If you guys are interested in seeing more cool moves like this, again, just using the basics, take a look at this video. I was doing the same basic moves, but I was using an anamorphic lens and it was at night. Hope you guys enjoy. Down in the description, I also have a list if you guys are into it. It's basically a pre-shot routine list of what the steps you need to take before you hit that record button. Enough of my jibber jabber. Patrick Levar, smash the like, do all that jibber jabber. Keep filming. That's the only way you'll get better. Peace.